am here to share with you the story of Sardar Patel, one of the foremost freedom fighters in our independence movement. Sardar Vallabhbhai Jhaverbhai Patel is popularly known as Sardar Patel. Born on 31st of October 1875, he was focused on becoming a barrister. He spent years away from his family to become one and practiced law in Gujarat. At the age of 36, he journeyed to England and completed a 36-month course in 30 months to finish college at the top of his class. Returning to India, he settled in Ahmedabad and became one of the city's most successful barristers. Sardar Patel entered our freedom struggle in 1917. He raised his voice against the practice of bega, which was a system of forced labor on Indians. He joined Mahatma Gandhi's non-cooperation movement and opposed British rule. In 1931, he became president of Indian National Congress and led the Quit India movement. Due to these activities, Sardar Patel was put in jail several times. But still he continued to struggle for India's independence. In 1947, when India became independent, Sardar Patel became India's first Home Minister. Later he became Deputy Prime Minister as well. However, his biggest contribution to India was joining hundreds of independent provinces to form a united India. The country has honored our great hero, Sardar Patel, by building the world's tallest statue, the Statue of Unity, in his memory. Come, let us all pay our respect to this great son of India. Thank you.